Hi, it's Heather from Growing Hands on Kids. Let's talk about hand washing. Hygiene skills can be difficult for many children to master because of sensory processing challenges, fine motor delays, or cognitive delays. Let's look at some ways for teaching hand washing with kids. Let's break down hand washing step by step so we can see what skills are needed. First, sensory processing and cognitive skills. The ability to recognize when hands are dirty, walking to the sink, visual motor skills, turning on the water for hand washing, getting your hands wet, bilateral coordination and crossing midline, such as pumping the soap into their hands, or scrubbing their hands with the soap, sensory processing and wrist and finger manipulation, rinsing your hands in the water, visual motor skills and shoulder strength, turning the water on and off, hand and finger strength along with more bilateral coordination for drying hands. Some ways children could struggle with hand washing are understanding more than one step directions, using both hands together to pump the soap, bilateral coordination, decreased tone or shoulder and hand strength needed to hold the sink handles, soap, or towels, difficulty transferring skills learned from home to other environments, sensory processing difficulties such as the water temperature, texture, or smell. It's important to practice hand washing in all environments so that children are able to transfer this skill. Try to keep as much of the same as you can in an environment so they recognize what needs to be done. Some children may not recognize when they need to wash their hands, so it's important to set up some social stories to address this. You can easily make up a little story and ask your child to tell you when they need to wash their hands in the story. You can also set up some pictures of different activities and talk about when it would be important to wash hands. A child should wash their hands before eating or preparing food and after touching raw meat when cooking, after using the restroom, after sneezing, coughing, or blowing their nose, after coming in from outside, whenever their hands are dirty from an activity, and you can use a video to model how to wash their hands or hand washing songs to help them remember the steps for hand washing. With many automatic soap dispensers and sinks, it's important that children know how to use both manual and automatic items. And in order to decrease the number of verbal directions, use visual schedule or visual cards. Click the link in the description for some free hand washing sequencing cards. Thanks for watching and share this video with someone.